In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change your username on Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. And you have to type in Qwen AI on your Google search bar and it will get you to the Qwen AI platform. And from the home page, look for a profile icon or menu typically found in the top right corner. Tap on it. In the pop-up, you have to select Settings. Here at the last, you can see the option of Profile. Tap on it. In this interface, you can see your username. To change it, you simply have to tap on it and erase your current name. And this is the part where the magic happens. Type in your new name. And you just have to simply click on Save and it will change your profile name. And that's how you change your username in Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.